Hello everyone, welcome to World of Political Science. In this video, we will discuss one of the most influential political and economic ideology in the world, Marxism. Whether you are preparing for university examination, UGC NET, UPSC, or simply want to understand political theory, this video will give you a complete understanding of Marxism. We will cover meaning and definition of Marxism, Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, background of Marxism, core principle, historical materialism, dialectical materialism, theory of class struggle, theory of alienation, surplus value, revolution and dictatorship of proletariat, five stages of historical development, criticism of Marxism, contemporary relevance, and conclusion. Let's begin. What is Marxism? Marxism is a political, social, and economic theory developed mainly by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. It explains how society is shaped by economic condition and class struggle. It explains how society developed through conflict between different economic classes. According to Marx, the economic structure of society determines politics, law, religion, education, and culture. Marx believed that capitalism creates inequality by allowing a small group of people to own the means of production, while workers produce wealth but receive only wages. The ultimate aim of Marxism is to establish a classless and stateless communist society where exploitation no longer exists. Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. Karl Marx was born in Germany in 1818. He studies philosophy, economic, and history. His close friend Friedrich Engels financially supported Marx and co authored several important works. Their most famous books includes The Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital. These books laid the foundation of modern Marxism thoughts. Background of Marxism. Marxism emerged during the Industrial Revolution when factories expanded rapidly. Machines replace traditional methods of production. Capitalist becomes richer. Workers work for long hours in dangerous conditions with very low wages. Child labor and poverty became common. Marx studies these conditions and argues that capitalism was inherently exploitative. Main principle of Marxism. Marxism is based on several important principles: historical materialism, dialectical materialism, class struggle, labor theory of values, surplus value, theory of alienation, revolution, dictatorship of the proletariat, communism. Let's discuss each in detail. Historical materialism. Historical materialism explains how societies develop over time. According to Marx, history is driven by change in the mode of production rather than by ideas alone. Economic force shape political institution, culture, religion, and laws. When productive forces conflict with existing social relations, social revolutions occur. Five stages of historical development. Marx identified five stages. First, primitive communism. No private property, people share resources equally, no social classes exist in this stage. Second, slave society. Private property emerged in this stage. Master owned slaves. The first major class division appeared. Third, feudalism. Lord owners control land. Peasants works for landlords. Society was divided into feudal lords and serfs. Fourth, capitalism. Factories and industries expand. Capitalists own production, workers sold their labor, class conflict intensified. Number 5, communism. Private ownership disappeared in the states. No exploitation, no classes, no state. Production is based on needs rather than profit. Dialectical materialism. According to Marxism, society changed through three laws of dialectical materialism. First, the transformation of quantity into quality means that small, gradual changes accumulate until they produce a major change. For example, the continuous exploitation of workers under capitalism eventually leads to a revolution. Second, the interpretation of opposition means that every society contains opposing force. In capitalism, the main contradiction is between the bourgeoisie and the proletariat. Their conflict drives social change. Third, the negation of negation means that each old social system is replaced by a new and more advanced one. According to Marx, society developed from feudalism to capitalism, then socialism, and finally communism. Thus, these three laws explain how history and society develop through contradiction, conflict, and transformations. Theory of class struggle. One of the Marx's most famous statement is the history of all hitherto existing society is the history of class struggle. Every society contains two opposing classes: master versus slave, lord versus serf, bourgeoisie versus proletariat. The bourgeoisie own the means of production, the proletariat sell their labor. According to Marx, this struggle eventually leads to revolution. Labor theory of value. Marx believed labor creates value, workers produce commodity. However, workers receive only wages. The remaining value is kept by the capitalist. This becomes the source of capitalist profit. Surplus value. Workers create more value than the wages they receive. For example, a worker produces goods worth 1000 rupees but receive only 300 as wages. The remaining 700 becomes profit from the capitalist. This extra profit is called surplus value. Theory of alienation. Alienation means workers become separate from their work, from themselves. According to Marx, workers are alienated in four ways: from the product they produce, from the production process, from fellow workers, from their own human potential. Workers lose creativity and becomes mechanical part of the production system. Revolution. Marx believed capitalism contained internal contradiction. As inequality increases, workers become conscious of exploitation. They unite against capitalism. Eventually, a revolution replaced capitalism. Dictatorship of the proletariat. After revolution comes a transitional stage called the dictatorship of the proletariat. Workers control political power. Private ownership of major industries is abolished. The state gradually eliminates class differences. Eventually, the state itself becomes unnecessary. Communist society. The final stage is communism. Features include no private ownership of production, no exploitation, no social classes, no state, equal opportunities, production according to need. Marx summarize this idea as from each according to his ability to each according to his needs. Criticism of Marxism. Despite its influence, Marxism has faced several criticisms. First, critics argue Marx underestimated the adaptability of capitalism. Second, many capitalist countries improve workers' conditions through labor laws and welfare policies. Third, communist states often become authoritarian instead of classless democracies. Fourth, Marx focuses mainly on economic factors while ignoring religion, culture, gender, and ethnicity. Finally, predictions of worldwide proletarian revolution did not occur as expected. Contemporary relevance. Even today, Marxism remains relevant. It helps explain economic inequality, corporate concentration of wealth, labor exploitation, global capitalism, privatization, income inequality. Many scholars continue using Marxist analysis to study politics, economic, media, and international relations. Important contribution. Marxism contribute significantly by highlighting exploitation of workers, explaining class inequality, encouraging labor rights, inspiring socialist movements worldwide, influencing sociology, economics, political science, and history. Marxism remains one of the most important political theories in the modern history, whether one agrees with Marx or not. His ideas transformed the study of economics, politics, sociology, and history. Concepts like class struggle, alienation, surplus value, and historical materialism continue to shape academic discussion around the world. Understanding Marxism is essential for every student of political science because it provides a powerful framework for analyzing inequality, power, and social change. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to press the notification bell so you never miss our videos.